Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in. We have Power Ponies. These are the superhero version of the My Little Pony characters. These are the Power Ponies. And we have a whole case of the 12 regular figures. Let me show you the box here. So these are all the 12 figures in this collection. And each one has 112 odds, so we should get one of each. And then I also have, these are the same collection, but these are Hot Topic exclusives. So you can see down here there's 3 different characters that are not in the regular set. So all the other characters are the same, except for these 3 are different than what come in that box. So hopefully, I have 4 of these boxes, so hopefully out of the 4, we'll get some different ones. But let's just get to it, shall we? Sorry, I did not take the plastic off of these ahead of time, but we'll see how this goes here. There we go. There we go. We got it. And obviously these are, I didn't mention it, but it's kind of obvious. These are by Funko, the Mystery Mini, vinyl figures, of course. And I believe the Power Ponies are Series 4 out of the My Little Pony figures, in case you were wondering. Alright, so first up, it is Rainbow Dash, which I believe Rainbow Dash is supposed to be in Power Pony form. It's supposed to be like the Flash, I believe. Super cool. Awesome. Let's see. Oh, he just chills. He just chills right there on his tail. Her tail. Sorry. Awesome. Alright, who is it gonna be next? Sometimes they really just glue these boxes shut. Holy cow. There we go. Alright, next up is, now I don't know who this is. I believe it's Henchman, or the Henchman of some sort. I'm not sure. Is this the DJ pony? I don't know. Maybe you guys can help me out if you know who this is out of superhero form. The glasses look familiar, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm not completely up to date on my ponies. But there he is. Cool. Alright, let's keep going. Sorry, I really should have taken the plastic off of these first. They're not usually this difficult to get off. Maybe I need to break out my superpowers too, huh? Alright, next up we have, this is Pinkie Pie. She's ready to fight, looks like. Super cool. And as usual, if you guys are interested in these, I will have a link down in the description below where you can find them, or some of them. Here we have Applejack. Super cool. Whoops, and I'm making a mess. There we go. This one's little, but I know who this is. Yep. There's Spike. This little comic book. He's so cute. Awesome. Alright, and next up, ooh, he's cool. Now this is Maniac Mayhem, I believe is the full name. Love the hair, even though he's the bad guy. He looks pretty cool. Awesome. Okay, got a few left. And we have Fluttershy. Look at that hair. Too cool. There's Miss Fluttershy. Ooh, almost dropped it. And here's the other Pinkie Pie. She looks more like her little bubbly self here. She doesn't look quite so ready to fight in this pose. And here is the other Applejack. Super cool. You can see there, the poses are just a little bit different. And their faces are a little bit different. Awesome. And here we have Twilight Sparkle, which we haven't gotten yet. There's Twilight. These are pretty creative, I have to say. I like what they did with these. Here, we'll put you up front here, Spike. There you go. This one is huge. Oh my gosh. She is amazing. Check out Fluttershy. She is beefed up. Oh my god. That is awesome. Oh man. That is hilarious. Now this must be, obviously this is supposed to be the Hulk version of Fluttershy. That's amazing. Here, we're gonna put you right up front here, sweetheart. That is so funny. I love it. Alright, and last, but certainly not least, I don't know if we can top Fluttershy though. Here's Rarity. Cute. She's pretty. I like what they did with her. Awesome. Alright, let's get to these Hot Topic ones. I'm hoping we get a couple different ones. Let's find out. Oh, not this one. We got a duplicate Spike. Which that's okay, because he's still awesome. Oh, nope, and we got a duplicate Applejack, which we already have. That's the same as this one. So we're 0 for 2 so far. Open. Shoosh. Alright, here we have... Oh no! Not another one. Now we have 3 Applejack. We have an Applejack army. Alright, last one. Come on, give us an exclusive. You know you want to. Aw, man. Another Fluttershy. So all we got was a bunch of duplicates. Wah, wah, bummer. Oh well. Alright, there is everybody. Thank you for tuning in to the Power Ponies. Give us a thumbs up or Fluttershy's gonna come kick your booty. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time.